guys, welcome to my channel Think On. So today we are going to see how to move data, from MySQL database to the Hadoop file system. By using Scoop, and we are going to use the Scoop import. We are going to use Scoop import. So while you are in the Quick Start Cloudera VM or virtual machine, you need to check the Scoop version and the Java version are you actually using. So we have to check the Scoop is running or not. So Scoop is running, so I'll check the Scoop version. So Scoop help, I'll actually check. Okay, so running a Scoop version, that is a 1.4.6 in Cloudera 5.13, and we have to check the Java version, Java-version. So make sure the Java version should be 1.7. The Scoop version 1.4 do not support the Java version of 1.8. So you should be knowing that whenever you are using a Java version 1.8, there is always failure of Scoop import and Scoop export job, because Scoop export is a very sensitive command to import data from MySQL or relational database to the SDFS. So we are using here Scoop 1.4 and Java version 1.7. So I will write the command. I'll go to the first MySQL hyphen username root hyphen p. I will command the password, go to the databases. I'll check the databases, and the database we are going to use, that is RetailDB. So I will use the RetailDB, make the semicolon, and show the tables. Okay, show tables. So we can now see the tables, that is categories, customers, departments, order items, orders, and products. So we are going to import the orders table into the Hadoop file system. I will open another terminal. So where can I show you the Hadoop file system? Hadoop fs-ls and the root directory. This is a root directory. In this root directory there are different folders: benchmark, data import, HBase, solar, temperature, user. The SDFS directory is Hadoop fs-ls, that is a user Cloudera. So this is a SDFS directory, user Cloudera, and the main quick start, that will be user of home Cloudera, that is a local directory. So we are going to import into the user Cloudera directory. So we will write a Scoop import command. So we are going to use Scoop import. So I'm writing the command here for Scoop import, Scoop hyphen import, and I will give the connection, connect JDBC, that is a MySQL database name, // quickstart.cloudera, address, and the port number 3306, and the RetailDB is the database name. I will give the username, that is a RetailDBA. Whenever doing an import, you should be knowing the username of the database, and give the password. There are many different ways to manage the passwords by making aliases, by making password alias, by encrypting the password. You can hide your password from the terminal so no one can see that. So password is Cloudera in this case, and the target directory we are choosing here, we should be giving the table first. So table is orders, table is orders, and new line, and the target directory. Okay, target directory is going to be, I will say that it is scoop import. We will be using the user Cloudera directory. Okay, user Cloudera imported files, imported data, or just we will say just import. So whenever importing the files from the MySQL database or any database, we should be giving the target directory, and that target directory should not be present in the HDFS. So there should be a user Cloudera, and in the user Cloudera there should be not present any imported name directory. So scoop import automatically create this directory. So we have given the directory name and how the data is separated. So fields are terminated by semicolon. Fields are terminated. Fields means in between the words, means one column is terminated by say comma, second column is also terminated by the comma. So just like that. So because we are importing the comma separated value, that is CSV file, which is located in the MySQL database. So I given the so I write the command of scoop import. So I will be checking once again the scoop import command. So --connect JDBC MySQL quick start .cloudera. So you should be checking that the port number should be correct. The RTLDB is the database name, username should be correct, password you should be the correct, table orders, target directory. Make sure the target directory should not be present in the HDFS, and the field terminated by, that is comma. So all things are okay. So I'm copying this command and directly put it into the terminal and enter. So I will make it bigger so we can see that. So it executed the one command, that is it takes the one record and make the schema for the importing tables. So it splits the our data into the 4 parts by checking the boundary value query. So it takes the minimum number of record and maximum number of records and divide it by the 4. Why it is 4? Because the number of mappers are here in this case are 4. So it is mapping all the records or all the data. So map is 0%. So whenever we are doing a import, the scoop import job is a mapper job. So we can track our job here. That is a quick start Cloudera. That is the URL given here. I'll check that link so we can see the log, see the MapReduce job is finished. So just open. Maybe it is not going to be open right because the job is finished right now. So it is transferred 2.8 MB of records in 56 seconds. The transfer rates is about 51 KB per second, and the retrieved records are 68,883 records. Okay, you can see here the job is succeeded. It is created the job name .orders.jara, username Cloudera, root Cloudera, state is succeeded. So you can give the submitted time, started time, finished time, and elapsed 31 seconds. So you can see all details about your job here, the MapReduce job. So I minimize it, I close it. So retrieved records are 68,883. So we will be validating these records. We are going to check the count of records. Select star from orders. Okay, the imported records are the same in the MySQL database table. So our import job is successfully done. So that's all for now. So stay tuned for more update. So I'll be creating more videos like this for like a scoop on the scoop. If you want to see want any other video, you can comment down, so I can make the new videos about scoop, MySQL, Hive, any of these technologies. So we are just started the scoop import right now. I will be giving a new video about a scoop export, so we are going to check that in next video. So stay tuned for next video. Thank you very much.